Did you know you can give Creative Studio an existing photo and then use an AI prompt to transform it? I initially thought it would simply blend the photo with whatever I described, but that's not what happened. Instead, Galaxy AI transformed my photo based on my prompt and the style I selected. Let me show you how. First, open Creative Studio. Tap the Create Image icon at the bottom right. Then tap the Add Image icon. Select the photo you want to use from your gallery. For this example, I'm going to use a photo of a woman. Now, in the prompt field, type what you want to add or change. For this example, let's type wearing a floral dress and a beautiful hat on a page. Next, tap the files icon and choose the file you want. Let's choose Webtoon for this example. If needed, you can also tap the ratio icon to change the aspect ratio. Once you are ready, tap Generate. And here's the result. As you can see, Galaxy AI used my original photo as the basic and followed my instruction to create a new scene in this case. The woman is now wearing a floral dress and a beautiful hat on a beach in a webtoon style. You can experiment with different prompt and style to create different results. Keep in mind that the generated result can vary, so it might not look exactly like your original photo. And that's how to transform a photo with AI using Creative Studio on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.